Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys this Marilyn Monroe face tutorial on Dress to Impress. You obviously need custom makeup for this, so let's get started. For the eyes, oh my gosh, do I have to use it again? Okay, for the eyes, I used these ones. This in this brown, I think. Oh, this one. And then for the brows, I used these ones, which is this one here next to this one over here, the frowny eyebrow. Then for the lips, I just used the new one, this one in this color, 8E113. Then for the contour, I just used this one. And now for the last bit, I did use a lot, so I used this in white, and then I used the this eyeshadow here in white as well. Then I used, oh my gosh, I used freckles. I think I used the beauty marks here. I used this one and this one. So 1, 2, 3, the third one on the left, and then the second one from the right, on top here. For the nose, I used two noses. I used this one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the middle from the bottom. Then I used this one at the very top here on the left. And that is how you can create Marilyn Monroe's face. I think it looks pretty similar to hers. It's obviously not going to look exactly the same. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!